Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and take your drinks to the next level with this edible glitter from Fancy Sprinkles. Add instant sparkle to your next celebration with the Fancy Sprinkles Pretty Young Thing edible glitter packets. They are designed for portability and ease, and these single serving packets let you glam up sparkling wine, cocktails, beer, or any drink, anytime, anywhere. I love that I can put these in my purse and pull them out wherever I go and add a little bit of glitter. They are safe, edible, and mess free. You just rip, sprinkle, and stir, and you are going to have the most beautiful drink. I love that they don't add any flavor or anything, they just add the most beautiful sparkle, and they make every drink dazzling. I think these are the perfect thing to add to any of your barware and throw them in your purse. You are going to love them. So why not add a little sparkle to your cocktails and get this edible glitter? You are going to love it, and that's my point of view.